Hi, this is Mark with All American Glass and Screen Company. If you have moisture between the panes of glass in your double pane windows, give us a call. We can repair them by changing out the glass and get your windows back to the insulating value that they were intended for. Besides, what good is a window if you can't even see out of it? Our estimates and consultations are always free. We have over 25 years experience in the window repair industry. Give us a call at 970-699-2104. Thank you for watching. God bless.